Welcome to Carolina Business Today, Video Minute, the message outline. People watch our videos because they are looking for specific information. Using the information we collected during our audience analysis, we identified how our features and benefits help various viewers. Now we need to focus that information into a specific message, which is clear and to the point. We don't want to cram everything we do into one message. Consider multiple shorter messages aimed at a specific audience and need. Next, and this really should be a given, our message needs to be sincere, truthful, and personable. Remember, we want to establish an emotional bond with the viewer. We want them to think of us as a sincere, trusted partner who's there to help them. So, a well-crafted message is viewer-focused, follows a clear progression, is specific, sincere, and most importantly, truthful. In the next Video Minute, we'll learn why the goal for our video is the benchmark for all the elements used in production. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you'll know when the next Video Minute episode is posted. Also, please share this with your friends and colleagues. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.